Yo, what's up, guys? It's Nick, the San Diego Junk Guys. Anyway, we're off to pick up a sofa. I guess they're super heavy. Lay said, hey, they're super heavy sofas. We're gonna pick them up. We're gonna show you how it's done out here in North County, San Diego. So if you need anything picked up, give us a holler. San Diego Junk Guys, 760-331-3289. Give us a call. We're going to pick up it all. We're gonna go pick up some sofas. Check it out. Okay, but if there's like something wrong with anything, especially with sofas, they won't take it. Yeah. So it's pretty much we'll go to the dump if they won't donate.
Where is a dump that you can take things to?
Palomar.
Oh.
What's that street? Faraday. I'm just trying. So yeah, it's Palomar, Faraday. It's by the city building of Carlsbad over there.
Oh, you're okay. It's kind of.
So it's back. Yeah, it's in a weird area back in there. But they will. Just to let you know that you could drop mattresses off for free. You get 3 of them at 3 at a time. And then if you have like an appliance or whatever, there's other. Took them from the living room. Threw them in the truck. Grab the cushions. We're gonna get paid some cheddar. Super quick and easy. So let's grab this. Okay, you guys got that all picked up? Need something picked up? Sofa? Call us. Or you go to San Diego Junk Guys. And we'll pick it up too. So either or, we're there. Same day, next day. So let's go.
She said, I never seen a man who looks so well alone. Could you use a little company? If you pay the right price, your evening will be nice and you can go on my way. I said, just such a sweet young thing while you do this to yourself.
2 sofas, same day service. They put this on Woofu. We got it. Monday, Oceanside, California. Making cheddar, Junk Guys, call. Give us a call. 760-331-3289. We'll be there.